Kingston College then. And a long list here. Heard about Ainsley Campbell. And this year has gone at 6 minutes 06.70. Darnell Edwards from Kingston College. Ainsley Campbell from Kingston College. Adriana Brown from Calabar. Tyrone Lawson from Jamaica College. Nellie Amberton from Jamaica College. Chantrick Robinson from Calabar. Kemar Vernon from Charlemont. Omar Campbell from BB Cook. Xavier Bryan Wilmers. Daniel Pennant, St. Jago. Raheem Walker from St. Jago. Ryan Oliphant from Manchester High. Conroy Robinson from Wilmers Boys. Nicholas McLaren from Belfield. And Ricardo Graham from Edwin Allen.
Before the race starts, Neville Bell, let's ask Coach Wilson a question about track management and track protocol at training. Not at Champs, not at Diamond League. Are people allowed to just randomly walk in lane one?
Zero tolerance. Zero tolerance.
You don't do that. And that's at training level. This is Champs.
No, that's what I'm saying. I've never seen anything like that. I've never seen that. Never seen that.
So they're set away here. And Ainsley Campbell left it really late in the 1500 meters to come across the line and win. What can he do in the 2000 meter steeplechase? He's been really doing well in the distance event, the 2000 meter steeplechase open this season. And it will be about timing the race. Looks like Nicholas McLaren from Belfield, who has gone to the front. And he's there with Omar Campbell from BB Cook. And Campbell was a finalist in this event last year. He actually finished 6th last year. So knows what it feels like to score points in the 2000 meter steeplechase event. And so far the Kingston College pair, Campbell in the middle of the pack, and then Darnell Edwards at the back of the pack. And now coming on the outside from Edwin Allen, it's to be Ricardo Graham. Talk to me a little bit about some of the techniques we're seeing, Coach, of clearing the barrier.
Well, I was thinking about that. Some athletes actually hurdle the barrier instead of jumping the barrier, which really and truly the barrier has that flat platform on the top that you can hit the barrier and propel yourself forward. But it has to be done in practice. And as Bruce suggested earlier, enough teams do not have the opportunity to use the water jumps and the hurdle barriers in terms of getting practice. Yeah.
And the water jump, because it's clear the barrier is one thing. The water jump, how do you do that?
Well, it's to get the feel of running in a shoe that is water soaked. That is a feeling that cannot be explained. You have to experience.
A shoe that is what?
Water soaked.
Water soaked.
Yeah.
They say waterlogged. so never doesn't understand
water soaked, right?
When you soak the shoe in water. Never like in
no,
football.
we have waterlogged fields,
right,
but not waterlogged boots.
Well, those waterlogged ring through, you know.
If you're doing resistance training, right?
By the way, just before Renardo gets back to the race, here are the list of winners for today. The Western Union School Spirit Promotion, and these winners downloaded the GK1 app and will receive $10,000 in their GK1 wallet. Taisha Clark, Kadeen McGregor, and Anthony Gibbs. Taisha Clark, Kadeen McGregor, Anthony Gibbs. Congrats, $10,000 richer.
So the St. Jago pair going to the front, Raheem Walker and his schoolmate Daniel Pennant. And now there being a challenge now on the outside. That's Amberton from Jamaica College. And Campbell starting to take closer orders now. As the St. Jago pair, they've been relegated to 4th and 5th as Campbell steps to the front. Tracked though by the Jamaica College pair of Tyrone Lawson and Nellie Amberton. Now,
Ainsley Campbell, one of the favorite in this event, with Amberton. Also Ryan Walker from St. Jago.
of the Jamaica College pair, Tyrone Lawson and Amberton, going to the front. What is the strategy here? Do they slow the pace down to try to keep Campbell behind? Do they try to push him wide? They're on the backstretch for the, in Neverbell terms, second to last time. No. Guess what? Ainsley Campbell has gone to the front. And when he gets to the front in this kind of situation, he doesn't relinquish that lead. Looks strong as he approaches the water jump for the penultimate time.
With Darnell Edwards lurking, Renato.
Darnell Edwards, the other Kingston College athlete. So at the moment, it's building up to be a JC versus KC clash going into the final lap. So they're on the home stretch, and they will get the bell when they reach the line momentarily. Campbell having a look over his right shoulder. No, they will get the bell. Let's see what Campbell will do. Gets over that barrier, hurdling that barrier. It's KCJC Calabar. That is how they line up. And now the challenge is coming. And it's a real battle on this backstretch. So it is Amberton and Ainsley Campbell as they will hit the 200-meter mark. Campbell looking over his shoulder. Amberton has him in sight, but the lead here is stretching by every step. They approach the water jump for the final time. Ainsley Campbell goes clear. Amberton goes clear. And they're into the straightaway. Ainsley Campbell, he's been the top man in this event. Final barrier to clear. He goes clear, looks over his shoulder. No victory is in sight for Ainsley Campbell. He showed the form all season. He adds the 2,000-meter steeplechase crown to the 1,500-meter title. And it is Kingston College, Jamaica College, and then Calabar. And then Darnell Edwards from Kingston College will come through for fourth. And the time is 6 minutes 13.57 for Ainsley Campbell.
A very good run by Campbell. He has been dominant all season.
Double champion here at Champs. He won gold in the 1,500 meters. Said he didn't even expect to run the 1,500 meters. He said this is a race he expected to run. So if he's going to get gold in his non-preferred, non-expected event, of course he's going to score a big goal in the steeplechase, and he delivers big time.
A very good performance by Amberton also to take the silver to give his team some well-needed points.
From just the semi-finals of the 800 meters in 2022 to the 1,500, 2,000-meter steeplechase double, it's been a wonderful year for Ainsley Campbell from Kingston College.
And so that you know the stresses that these athletes go under. After this replay, if we get a live shot of, I would say, the majority of the athletes who have now completed the steeplechase, they are crumbled on the floor and receiving medical attention. It is that tough. The 2,000-meter steeplechase, many of them have already done the 1,500 meters here, would have done 2 rounds of the 1,500, 2 rounds of the steeplechase.
The Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.